In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get and redeem codes in Bizarre Lineage. In order to do that, head over first and I have in here this article. And as you can see right here, I will show you in here some codes that are available. Here are some all new Bizarre Lineage codes, which is this code right here that have 30k likes, which is also have one side point essence. You can head over and copy it. And here is the code right here, which is this I code 30k likes. You can also choose in here the iCode 100k likes that gives you one stat point essence and one rare chest. We also have this code right here for shutdown whoops with that gives one stat essence. We also have this code for 1 week, which is one stand personality essence that gives it right there. So in here you can just redeem it by clicking on this icon. Then from in there typing in the code right there. From there, you should be able to get it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.